Thing we're going to do is take a screw out. Right here, it's a torque 25. Now we go to up front.
You roll.
Alright, the second screw is right here in the front, right by the seat. You can't hardly see it. Flashlight would help.
Hands in the way.
Huh?
Hands in the way.
Oh, right there. Now you got to gently push in and lift up on the plastic. It pops off right here. Now, make it easier, take the back part of it and pull the seat belt through it. Okay, now this is what we're going to change right here. First, all I got to do is take these little clips off right here. The buttons. They just snap in. Okay, now you'll see it. These little places right here, you got to pry them up and you put some pressure onto the outside so it'll pop off. That one should be on the side of that. Alright. Now all you gotta do is push this down. Sometimes there's a little white keeper in there. You take it out, then you push this down right here, wiggle it, pull it, there you go. You take a new one, just reverse everything, make sure it's attached. Just pop it in, put it back down. You'll have to push this in a little bit right here to get it to go slide over that little lip. There goes the back. Then you take these, put them back on. Now for college people, the big one goes up front and the little one goes in the back. Snap it in. Snap it in. Voila, it works. Then you put your screws back in. You need a torque 25. A little bit better.